Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about midweek recap basically. Okay, so just wanted to show that what has happened since Monday. Today is July 4th. Market's probably going to be very slow. I'm not going to be trading, and the next day is Friday. Tomorrow is Friday, NFP Friday actually, and very dangerous, so I'm not going to be trading. And then comes the weekend, so forget about everything. So that's why I'm making this video. So let's get started. Just wanted to show what happened and why. Okay, so this is pound Aussie trade on the first week. Started on the first Monday, 1st of July, and this is a long one, but after that it was all short pound Aussie. So let's see, the next trade was here, a EUR-USD trade, sell order here on Friday, last Friday, June 28th. I let it go for the weekend, and then closed it on Monday, 1st of July, right? And here another one is Euro Yen. This is the one because of the yen strength and euro weakness. It went down here. This was the area on the 1st, July 1st, and then this is pound Aussie. Now the game started with pound Aussie on the 2nd. Here it went up all the way here, and then I think the Aussie news and the pound news, both actually. Aussie started getting strong, pound started getting weaker, and we had this one. I missed this entry here, but I caught this one, and it went down all the way and closed here. And then I had several trade after that going to the downside. And pound Aussie, you will see that's another one. This is the one, right? Which is the entry here, but this was also the entry on the other computer at the same time. I had this one as well, which I'm going to show you next, and you can see it is right there. Okay, but it was just another one. So this one, this one, all of these entries on pound yen. I have more in pound yen, by the way. So this is all second, and this in the meantime euro Aussie as well, from the 20-minute chart. Beautiful entry to the downside. And then here you can see pound USD second, on the 2nd, nice trade to the downside because of the pound weakness. And then comes pound Aussie again. That's a 4th trade to the downside. And then you can see pound yen because of the pound weakness and when yen is strength, it's all the way down. I watch that and the indexes, and I'll show you there, and they always help. Okay, and on the 2nd, this is out of the blue, is franc yen. It was, I missed this one. Beautiful entry, beautiful trade, but then this is the one came through. And then again you see pound USD, another one. It was, this one is the trade, this was the trade, and this was all the way down. And then euro Aussie again. This is the one. This went down a long way. I'm gonna more than that. This is the same chart. You will see it again. Euro Aussie and pound Aussie both. So this is pound Aussie, right? And they were continuing going to the downside. The pound Aussie ended up here for 100 pip. The entry was there, right? Break of 79.93 all the way down to 78.53. And then we had this euro Aussie just saw the 70 pip that it was here, right? It broke below and went all the way down here, 120 pip. Okay, and the last but not the least is pound Aussie as well, with the pound weakness. This was a nice entry too, but I didn't take this one. This is the one that's enough is enough. It went down, but unfortunately I wasn't available to close. Wasn't watching the level here. I didn't know what level, and so it retraced a little bit on me. No big deal. Okay, so these are the trades. But why these pound all the way down? Pound Aussie, pound yen, pound Aussie, pound USD. So let me show it to you. This is the chart, the pound Aussie chart I had made on 17th, right? That we're gonna be coming down from here to here. What happened to this chart so far? This came nice and clean, right? So that's why. And now pound Aussie, as you just saw a short. So I said anywhere from here, 98.45 and the TL, we're gonna make a turn, come down here. What happened to this chart is this. I closed it on 4th July, today, early, a few hours ago. Okay, and then pound USD, I made the chart on the 3rd May from this TL to this TL. What happened to 4th of July? is from here to here. Okay, that's why I was going short. Now you know. Okay, and similarly, I have like other pairs indexes. For example, USD index, I had this that we're gonna be going up here somewhere, maybe 78% touch, and then comes down to this TL and 0219. What happened to this chart so far? On 4th of July, as of today, we are here. So these are the analysis play a big role in my trading, and based on these analysis, and I take entries from 7-minute chart. Of course, the news is also a big help, and but I do teach these analysis, how to do the analysis, how to find the direction on the weekly chart in my live webinar, which I hold like twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday 4 p.m. Right, so if you become a subscriber, even if you don't have time to attend my live webinar, I always record the webinar and send out to my subscribers, so you will always have the recording and will know what exactly to do with which pair, which one is going down, which one is going up, what is the reason, and you can take the entries accordingly. Okay, and if there is anything that you cannot set up the chart or any problem, that I can get on the Skype and teach you step by step and prepare your charts. So that's what it is. If you like what you saw, go on my website, get ready, get the system, understand it, prepare the chart, prepare everything, 4th of July, then Friday, right? And then you have a weekend. So get ready, and from Monday you can start trading just like this. Okay, it's a lot of pippage every single week. So this is it for now, and hopefully talk to you guys later soon. Have a wonderful weekend and 4th of July, and wonderful, actually long weekend, right? I think maybe the Friday, some cities or some states, Friday will be off as well. I don't know, but Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, big weekend, right? So go out there, do barbecue, whatever, shopping, this, that, right? So enjoy. Talk to you guys later.